Welcome everyone. My name is Giselle Henry and this is my 2024 Serengeti Bio 1001 lab report. In today's lab, we're going to be discussing lions, adult lions in specific, and their habits and why they are spotted out in Mother Nature. Now, this lab in particular is going to be focusing on adult male lions and adult female lions, more particularly the adult females, because it is believed and speculated that the adult females are seen more and therefore are more active. And by active in this terminology, we're using that to describe how frequently they are spotted by Serengeti camera traps. So this study will be conducting which of the adult lions, male or female, are spotted more, and we're going to delve deeper into why which one of these genders are detected on camera traps more than the other. In order to come to a rational conclusion, we first must conduct a set of parameters that will meet our criteria. We need to ensure that the data we collect actually supports the hypothesis I'm going to present, and the hypothesis can be tested and it can be falsifiable. Now that that's out the way, let's begin by setting the parameters. The first parameter will be the time period in which we will be utilizing as a metric of measurement to see which lion has been spotted more, male or female. We're going to be using a 5-year period, 2011 through 2015, to quantify which gender of the lions is spotted more. Furthermore, not only will we be using and utilizing those 5 years, we will also divide each year into 12 months, and each gender will receive its own charts corresponding with its gender. So male lions will have its set of charts between January and December of 2011, 12, 13, 14, and 15, and the female lion will have the exact same parameters. Second, I need to establish an argument. For this lab, my argument is going to be that females are spotted more than males, so I'm choosing that females most certainly are, or believing that females most certainly are spotted more frequently than their male lion counterparts. And I'm choosing this because I believe the females are the primary hunters, and this is why camera traps detect them more frequently than their male counterparts, because as the primary hunters, they are going to be seen more frequently while they're searching for prey to supply food for the pride. Now that we have our two parameters established, we now have a fully functioning hypothesis, which would be that female adult lions are spotted more frequently every month over a period of 5 years, that's 2011 through 2015, compared to their male lion adult counterparts, because they are the primary hunters that supply food for the pride. Keeping this hypothesis in mind, we also have to establish a null hypothesis, or a sort of idea that essentially negates what we believe could potentially happen based off our hypothesis. The null hypothesis under this criteria would be that there is no distinction between the amount of adult male lions and adult female lions that have been spotted by the Serengeti camera traps. As previously stated, the methodology that will be utilized in this Serengeti lab is going to take charts, 5 of each gender, 5 for the male lion, 5 for the female lion, both adults, and it will utilize the years between 2011 and 2015, so 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, and 2015, respectively. And each gender is going to have those years divided into one of the 12 months, January through December, and each month will display on a bar graph how many times that gender has been seen or detected by the Serengeti camera traps. This is going to be how we quantify the amount of times the lions have been seen, and we're utilizing this information, the amount of times lions have been seen, to make a general estimate of if the male is more seen less frequently than the female, because the female is actively hunting, therefore she is detected by camera traps more frequently. And here we have our results. So as you can see, it's not even a close contest. The female is clearly and decisively seen much more frequently than her male adult counterparts. The female adult lion across the board every month, every year under any criteria is detected and is spotted much substantially more than her male counterparts. In my opinion, this obviously concludes that the hypothesis is true, at least if we're going off the notion that being seen more equates to hunting more. In conclusion, I believe this was a very solid study. The results seem pretty significant. Obviously, the female was spotted more than the male. And I do, even though there is some margin of error, some uncertainty, it could perhaps be because of an underlying variable. Maybe the camera traps just very conveniently happen to be centered around or near or adjacent where the female lions have kids. So they're circulating their area or their domain where they have kids to make sure their cubs are safe. Or maybe the males are looking for water and that's why they're never seen or rarely seen by their Serengeti camera traps. There's a plethora of varying ideas or varying reasons why the female is spotted more, but I do solidly believe that females are probably detected more because they are the primary hunters. And being the hunter, you're going to be much more active and going to be seeking out prey, which means you're more likely to be captured by cameras that are set out in random locations. Thank you so much. Hope you have a wonderful day.